In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a domain from Godaddy to Squarespace. We'll walk through the process from start to finish in a clear and simple way so you can move your domain with confidence. Before you begin, make sure you can access both your Godaddy account and your Squarespace account because you'll be switching between the two during the transfer. First, open a separate tab in Chrome and sign into your Godaddy domain account. Once you're inside your dashboard, go to the area where your domain management settings are located. This is the control panel where you can manage things like security, renewal settings, and transfer options for your domain. Take a moment to confirm that you're working with the correct domain, especially if you manage more than one. Next, look for the domain locking settings. Domain lock is a security feature that helps prevent unauthorized transfers, so it must be turned off before the transfer can begin. Find the domain lock option and switch it to off. If Godaddy asks you to confirm the change, go ahead and approve it. This step is essential because the transfer request cannot move forward while the domain is still locked. After that, stay in Godaddy and locate the option to get your authorization code, sometimes called the EPP code. Click to generate or retrieve that code, then copy it carefully. This code acts like a transfer password for your domain, so be sure to copy the full string exactly as it appears. It's a good idea to keep that tab open in case you need to return and double check it. Now switch over to your Squarespace domains dashboard. In Squarespace, choose the option that says Use a domain I own. This tells Squarespace that you already have a registered domain and want to bring it into the platform. Enter your domain name exactly as it is registered, then click Transfer in to continue. Squarespace will then ask for the authorization code from your current registrar. Paste the code you copied from Godaddy into the verification field. Double check for any extra spaces before or after the code, since even a small formatting issue can cause an error. Finally, review the billing details and transfer terms shown on the checkout screen. This is where you confirm the transfer request and any related renewal charges. Once everything looks correct, click Submit Transfer Request. After submission, the transfer process will begin. In many cases, it can take some time to fully complete, so be patient and watch for status updates in your account. And that's it. You've officially started transferring your domain from Godaddy to Squarespace.